Man, this is how crazy crypto is. I've got my Gopecoin wallet. Nothing in there. 33 weeks behind. No connections. No peers. So I want to get to 100,000 before any halving possibility. I can't at the moment from the Block Explorer. But from Spools Online I can see that I've been paid a total of 29,849 Gope from the Block Explorer. I've got 4 miners online. Here, and here. So now on Gopecoin listing page on miningpoolstats.stream. That's the release I've got, the version. The website doesn't really tell you a lot. Oh, it's not even there anymore, okay. For a moment. Cloudflare error. So now we're going to the Block Explorer. You can see, if we click on network, there's no information there, and there's no ADDNODEs. So if I go back now to Spools Online, mining pool, or the wallet, but this is the correct address, so I'll copy this address, copy, which of course you should copy from the wallet really, so we'll do that now. Go back onto the wallet, which I've lost. Alright, I'm not sure what happened, so we'll restart the wallet quickly. Hide that, receive. I've already created a proper address, so copy the address, then you don't make minimal mistakes. Go onto the Block Explorer, and put the address in there, paste, search. Now for some reason it only says I've got 157.2 Gopecoin, which is a bit worrying, but the reason for that is because the wallet, or a wallet, hasn't connected to the network, I believe, to confirm that the transaction has been successfully delivered and confirmed. So until a wallet can come online and download the blockchain for that wallet address and add itself as a node, that balance will be incorrect, or there's a problem with the Block Explorer. So anyway, let's see if we can find some ADDNODEs to get connections. So we'll just go on Bitcoin Talk. Announcements page, Gopecoin, Gope, that's the one. Proof of work script, 50 blocks, 50 coins per block. Alright, yeah. So that's that. ADDNODE. Use Explorer to see the ADDNODE. We've already checked that, it's not there. No ADDNODEs, no ADDNODEs, no ADDNODEs. That's broken. Explorer link. There's nothing in the let me have a look now. In fact, I think I've just seen the answer. Discord link. So I'll check back later. But this is how crazy crypto is. Prospective mining on block 99561 right now. So I'm getting 60%, 65% of the share reward. I'm finding quite a few blocks, as you can see. There is somebody else sharing now. There's also a solo miner, but I've got all my 4 little miners on here. So let's see what happens with the ADDNODEs. Bearing in mind, I don't even know if the block halving is after 100,000 blocks. Let's go and see if we can get the ADDNODEs. Right, I've just checked around the Discord and I can't even see any ad nodes there. Crazy. So yeah, prospective mining. I don't even know what's going on. Am I suffering from FOMO? So after thinking about the GitHub Gope project, I found the Gope.configuration file example. So we could simply just copy all of this and save it into the data directory. But all we need are the ad nodes. So I'm just going to copy this line here. Open the wallet configuration console. Sorry. Now we need to paste that into there. Delete the equal sign. To add on the end. Hopefully. Copy that one as well. Right, let's just wait a while now and see if I get some connections. So, after a while, still no connections. I decided to ask in Spools Online Discord channel. And hey presto, I got a reply. So go back into the wallet now and add ADDNODE. So go back into the console. Oh, so press up to re-enter the last line you was just on. If you're entering this into the console command line, I've done it again. You'd add and copy what is shown on the Discord chat with the equal sign. And anything after the colon is the port number. So this is 8333. Oh, I've done it again, the third time lucky. Wow. Okay. Oh. Nope, still nothing. Oh, connections. There we go. Okay, we're downloading blocks now. Thank you, Alexian from Spools Online. You can see now. Receive. These are peer info. So now hopefully you can see that fill up with transactions once it catches up. You can see now that the blocks are being downloaded from the blockchain to the local wallet. I've set the playback speed of the video to 99 times. That the blocks are being downloaded extremely quickly, even on a fast forward speed with 3 connections. The wallet is indexing the blockchain and syncing it locally onto this computer with the QT wallet. So everything's good. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. I tried to make a quick one this time because they normally end up really super long. The There's going to be loads more content. I like to show others as well as learn myself. So give me a little subscribe, a like, do all the nice things and everything else. Take care, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.